Hello and welcome back to another video here at Adventure Times. Today we are looking at our top 5 roller coasters at Efteling in the Netherlands. I will put a disclaimer in, it's only a top 5 because one ride was shut when we went at the start of January, which was the Flying Dutchman. With that, let's get started. At number 5 is Vogel Rock. It has been operating at the park since 1998 and is manufactured by Vekoma. It has a height of around 65 foot with a speed of around 40 miles an hour with no inversions. It's a number 5 for us as it's a pitch black dark coaster with glimpses of stars lit up briefly, and also you see yourself going through a bird's mouth possibly. Other than that, it's just pitch black. It does have a very good onboard soundtrack, that is one positive. I just wish it was a bit lighter so you could see what was going on and enjoy the ride a bit more. At number 4, it's Python. It's been operating at the park since 1981, making it the oldest coaster on park. It's manufactured by Vekoma. It has a height of 95 feet with a speed of around 46 miles an hour and has 4 inversions. Python has recently had track replaced in 2018 and the profile has changed in some areas, but overall the layout hasn't changed. It's at number 4 for us as we found it a struggle getting on and off of the ride with not much legroom. It's an intense ride, especially the upward helix at the end, but still very enjoyable. At number 3 is Joris onder Draak. This is a dueling wooden coaster and has been operating at the park since 2010 and is manufactured by GCI. It has a height of around 75 feet with a speed of around 46 miles an hour. When queuing up for the ride, you get to pick what side you can go on, either fire or water, and to be fair, there's not much difference either way. This dueling coaster does not have a predetermined side on who wins, but what side has the most weight in it. As you've probably seen from other vlogs, me and Hayley didn't lose many times on this ride, if you know what I mean. At number 2, this one took much debating, but we finally agreed on it was Max and Moritz was our number 2, but only by a smidgen. It has been operating in the park since 2010 and is made by Mack Rides. It has a height of around 19 feet with a speed of around 22 miles an hour. It's definitely the best family power coaster we have done so far, with one of the best on-ride soundtracks. Oh, and did we mention, it's also a 2-lap special with the beat of the music increasing in tempo the second time around. Definitely a ride not to be sniffed at. At number 1, I'm sure you've guessed it already, but it has to be Baron 1898. It's been operating at the park since 2015 and is made by Bollinger and Mabillard, otherwise known as B&M, and is a dive coaster. It has a height of just over 95 feet and has a speed of around 55 miles an hour. Arguably, it is one of the best themed rides we have ever done, with not just one but two pre-shows, with a final show just before you go up the lift hill. The ride packs a punch. The hold at the top of the drop feels like an eternity, followed closely by two inversions. It's definitely a gem at this theme park, and not one to be missed.
Holy shit! Ah! Holy hell! Yeah! Whoa! Oh! Ooh, yeehaw!
And that concludes our top 5 coasters at Efteling. Do you disagree? Do you agree? Let us know in the comments down below. But for now, thanks for watching Adventure Times. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. See you later.